to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this golden glam look. So if you're interested, please continue watching, and if you like the video, do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. For my eyes, I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to go into this burnt orange, and I'm going to use that as my transition color to start with. Then I'm going to go into this orangey color, and I'm going to also put that in the crease. Then I'm going to go into this nice dark red or burgundy color and put that right under the orange color. And for a more deeper smoky eye, I'm going to go into that dark brown, and I'm going to put that right in the crease, but more on the outer corner. I put a little bit too much on the brush, so I'm just going to use the other end without any product, and I'm just going to blend that all together so that it doesn't look as harsh. And then I'm going to be using this concealer to cut my crease. Guys, I really messed up on this cut crease. I think I was in a rush. I was just rushing it too much. So please bear with me. Yes, they're definitely not even. And then I'm going to go into my Hard Candy palette. It's my first time using it, but I love the glitter. The gold glitter was really nice. And I'm just going to pat that onto my lid. And then I'm just going to go back into that dark red color, and I'm just going to blend it out so it doesn't look so like it just cuts off out of nowhere. And then I'm going to go in with some liquid liner and do a wing. Okay, I did my lashes off camera, so now I'm just going to jump into blush. I'm just going to get some orange, a little dark orange blush. And now I'm going to do my lash line. I'm just going to put that same dark red color mixed with that dark brown color on my lower lash line and smoke it out. And then I'm just gonna line my waterline with some black eyeliner. And now I'm gonna highlight with my Fenty Beauty I totally forgot to contour my nose, so I'm just gonna do that now. Time for the lips. I'm going to be lining my lips with, I think it's a NYX pencil, I'm really not sure. And I'm just going to go in with my MAC Retro Matte lipstick in Divine. It with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Okay, and this is the look. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more really nice makeup looks like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.